What's up, man?
Just gotta ask some questions.
Sure, go for it.
Gotcha. Are you filming outside, right?
I'm
if
not
you're filming
going.
inside, you do require a permit.
Oh, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, why don't you go get me a permit then?
Me?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, sure, I can give you a try. I can definitely try to do that for you. So, let's come in.
I'm filming inside, too. Like that.
Chief, if I may ask for a name, please.
Sure. Why don't you give me your name first?
Sure thing. Omar Morales.
Omar Morales. Cool.
Yes, sir. Now, your name, please.
No, I'm not gonna.
Okay. That's fine, too. May I ask for the reason of you being here?
Sure. Of course.
So what's the reason?
I'm not gonna.
Oh.
Not gonna answer that
Yeah,
either.
that's okay, too.
What other questions you got, sir?
That's pretty much the gist of it.
That's pretty much it? Cool. Okay.
But if that's the case, if you have no business here, I do have to ask that you leave property.
Well, I do have business here.
May I ask what it is?
Sure.
What is it?
I don't want to divulge that with you.
That's fine, too. Well, Chief, if you're not willing to share information, I'm going to hang out with you.
You're gonna hang out?
Yep.
Let's do it, man.
Yeah, all right.
I'm a babysitter.
Yeah, it's pretty much the gist of the job.
It's not the gist of the job. That's just what you're making it, man.
Yeah, that's what I tell myself. Hey, Sergeant Anthony, it's Unit 2. Just a heads up, the gentleman here doesn't have a permit. He is going to film inside. Per word. States he's going to film inside and outside. Doesn't want to give me his name. Doesn't want to tell me what business he has here. I've already asked him to leave. He's refusing to leave.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Sounds good. All right, boss man. Appreciate your help.
No problem, boss man.
Now I'm gonna take off, and you have a good day.
Hey, you too. Oh, is someone coming to kick me out or what?
No, why would they kick you out?
Well, you just said I'm supposed to have a permit.
You're supposed to, but you're choosing not to. So,
All right, boss. All right, chief. Have a good day there, chief.
What about the camera? He's just doing this thing. Where's the aisle?
Have a good day there, sport. Just got shut down.